Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever dealt with a slow leak and thought you'd have to book a whole tire appointment just for a simple valve stem? Well, get ready for a game changer. Today we're diving into a clever trick that lets you replace a valve stem without ever taking your wheel off. Imagine this, a tiny, specialized tool that makes the whole process surprisingly straightforward. You simply use it to pull the old stem out and guide the new one into place. All from the outside. It's incredibly efficient and saves you time and hassle. This method is perfect for those quick fixes that keep you rolling smoothly. Remember, always ensure you're using the correct tools and follow safety guidelines for any DIY car maintenance. It's about empowering yourself with smart solutions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider following for more practical tips.